Ditching linear goals. The impact on brand building. Understanding linear goals in brand building. Linear goals in marketing define a step-by-step approach to brand objectives. This includes sales targets and awareness campaigns. Each goal relies on previous successes to achieve future aims. For example, a company enhancing brand awareness may first build a robust online presence, transition to content creation, and then measure engagement. However, does this truly capture the complexities of brand growth? Limitations of traditional goal setting in brand building. While linear goals provide direction, they have significant limitations. These include oversimplification. Branding's complexity can't be reduced to a sequence. Brands depend on creativity, emotional connections, and adaptability. Rigidity. This approach restricts brands to predefined paths, problematic when market dynamics shift. Delayed feedback. Linear measurement often delays recognizing areas needing improvement. For instance, a startup focused on metrics may overlook changing consumer preferences or trends. As brands face complex behaviors, it's crucial to rethink goal setting, introducing pacts as a solution. Introducing pacts as a strategic approach. Defining pacts and their role in brand development. Pacts represent a new brand building method fostering deeper connections and ongoing growth. They are mutual agreements between brands and stakeholders, promoting alignment with audience needs. Think of pacts as promises. A sustainable fashion brand might agree to ethical sourcing while offering trendy clothing, defining its identity and nurturing consumer trust. How pacts differ from traditional goals. Pacts are collaborative, dynamic, and encompass holistic success, unlike traditional, one-sided goals. Instead of merely targeting revenue, a brand might create a pact to enhance customer experience through co-creation, illustrating the transformative potential of moving beyond conventional goals. Impact of pacts on brand transformation. Empowering brand identity through pacts. Embracing pacts reveals empowered brand identities. By fostering cooperative agreements, brands can express their values while reinforcing commitments during interactions. For instance, a health-focused brand may create a pact promising transparency in ingredient sourcing, strengthening its identity and credibility. Key ways pacts empower brand identity include authentic messaging. Aligning practices with promises builds trust. Consistency. Pacts enable cohesive messaging across all platforms. Building stronger consumer connections with pacts. Pacts create strong consumer bonds through mutual respect. For example, a tech company that centers innovation on user feedback transforms customers from passive participants to active co-creators. How pacts strengthen connections. Enhanced engagement. Active participation boosts brand loyalty. Community building. Shared values foster a sense of belonging. Pacts profoundly influence brand transformation, enhancing identities while fostering meaningful consumer relationships for sustained loyalty and success. Implementing pacts in brand strategies. Creating effective pact-based marketing campaigns. To harness pacts for transformation, effective marketing strategies are essential. Campaigns should resonate with audience values for a deeper impact. For example, a local coffee shop can create a pact to source fair trade beans, sharing farmers' stories and emphasizing quality. Key components of effective pact campaigns: clear communication, transparently articulate pact benefits. Multimedia storytelling. Use various platforms for compelling narratives. Community involvement. Invite customers to share pact-related experiences. Integrating pacts into long-term branding initiatives. After launching campaigns, integrating pacts into core strategies is essential for lasting success. For instance, a skincare brand might commit to eco-friendly packaging long-term, embedding the pact into its identity. Key considerations for long-term integration. Regular evaluation. Continually assess pact performance. Adaptability. Evolve pacts based on feedback and market changes. Staff training. Equip teams to embody the pact in all interactions. By implementing pacts strategically, brands create lasting consumer connections, paving the way for enduring growth. Case studies. Successful brand transformations with pacts. Examining real-world examples. Patagonia established a pact urging consumers to buy less and use what you have, reinforcing its environmental commitment. Similarly, Ben & Jerry's champions social justice with its Pact with Our Community, promoting fair trade and climate justice, mirroring its core values. Analyzing outcomes from Pact-driven strategies shows increased customer engagement. Pacts forge genuine connections with consumers. Enhanced brand loyalty. Customers prefer brands whose values align with theirs. Positive brand reputation. Responsible practices attract consumers who value ethics. These examples show how embracing Pacts drives transformation and cultivates lasting customer partnerships. Measuring the success of Pact-oriented brand initiatives. Key metrics for evaluating Pacts. Measuring Pact effectiveness is crucial. Focus on consumer engagement, tracking interactions like likes and shares. A resonant Pact results in increased engagement. Key metrics to watch include engagement rate, social media and website interactions, customer retention rate, rate of returning customers, Net Promoter Score, NPS, likelihood of recommending the brand. Assessing ROI of Pact-based initiatives is nuanced. Beyond immediate revenue, measure return through customer lifetime value and brand awareness. Strategies to evaluate ROI include cost-benefit analysis. Compare Pact investments against customer engagement increases. Longitudinal study. Analyze long-term trends to measure sustained effects. By measuring the impact of Pact-oriented initiatives, brands refine their approaches, fulfilling commitments and driving meaningful growth. Challenges and considerations in adopting Pacts. Overcoming hurdles in transitioning. Though Pacts offer benefits, moving from linear goals can be challenging. Resistance to this shift is common. Internal resistance can hinder progress. Brands should educate stakeholders on Pact's long-term advantages through workshops and training sessions. Aligning teams on a Pact-focused vision is vital. Cross-departmental collaboration can ensure alignment on goals. Cutting through internal hurdles entails clear communication. Articulating the Pact's benefits unifies staff. Pilot programs. Small experiments test the waters before widespread implementation. Navigating potential drawbacks of Pact-centric branding. It's essential to recognize pitfalls, like overstretching commitments. Overpromising leads to distrust if brands can't deliver. Measuring success can also feel subjective. Brands need clear criteria for defining success in Pacts. To address potential pitfalls, realistic Pact formation. Set achievable expectations to avoid disappointments. Continuous feedback loops. Regularly collect consumer feedback for adjustments. By addressing these challenges, brands can transition successfully to a Pact-based approach, fostering enduring audience connections. Future trends. The evolution of brand building with Pact's emerging innovations in Pact-oriented strategies. Brand building is evolving, especially with Pact adoption. Innovative strategies focus on collaborative brand consumer agreements, creating new engagement avenues. Technology-driven Pacts are on the rise. Brands use AI and big data to create personalized experiences based on consumer preferences. Gamification is gaining traction, as brands offer interactive experiences rewarding participation in Pacts. Key innovations to watch for include augmented reality, AR, experiences, visual commitment and participation in Pacts via AR. Blockchain for transparency. Using blockchain ensures transparency about Pact commitments. Predictions for the future emphasize consumer-led brands. Consumers will demand involvement, shaping identities through proactive Pacts. Also, sustainability will rise in focus. Brands embracing ethical practices through Pacts will attract customers and strengthen market positions. In conclusion, the brand development future is dynamic, driven by Pacts and technology, ensuring brands succeed in an evolving marketplace. Opportunities for deeper connections and enriched relationships await.